Today we are going to open a Labubu. But before opening it, I am going to show all of you my Labubus that I already have. This is Loyalty, the Labubu. Series is Big Into Energy for all of us. This is Hope, my first Labubu. Now we are going to go ahead and start to open the Labubu. I think it's going to be love. Let's go ahead and open. We got love. These are all of the three Labubus.